Susie, you want to sit there with mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Very carefully.
She's hungry. Look at that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to sit you here.
Look how she looks at you.
Okay. Turn around so you can see your baby.
I
want to hold him.
No, not yet. Maybe in a little bit. So, wow, she's like a little doll.
Hmm? Yes, look what I got for you.
Look at that little thing. Hmm?
Oh, mommy, look how
She's
beautiful.
a little doll, huh?
She is. Yeah, she's adorable.
For you, baby. Baby brother. Look what I got. Baby sister. Look. Look, baby sister.
Look, baby sister.
Look. I got it for you. There's this.
Yeah, isn't she gorgeous?
She is.
I got
She looks like
things
one of those
for the baby.
Marie Osmond dolls I wanted to buy. Here, let me let you guys hold
Where's
her.
that, please?